Hey guys, welcome back to RSCARPREMIUM. So we have got an INNOVA HYCROSS of ZXO model to get its lights upgraded. So on headlight, if you see here, right, it's a molded headlight which comes with a reflector. And if you see in the fog light also, it is a molded LED bulbs which comes over here. So either you have to change it with projector on the headlight as well as on the fog light. So what we suggested customer to go with an option of getting a headlight upgraded. So what we are doing is, this was the existing reflector and we have added with the 4 sets of projectors over here, and we'll be completely changing this reflector to the projector. So let's go and see how the process has been done, and we'll also be seeing the output. If you guys wanted to get a car upgraded with good lighting solution, please reach out to RSCARPREMIUM.